Basically, what we want is, please pull out your phones, mobile phones, put it on the silent mode or switch off mode. That's rule number one. Rule number two is, please follow the rule number one. Third thing, please ask all the questions under the sun, irrespective of this, whether it sounds stupid or intelligent. So please shoot questions. Now what we are going to do here is basically, we just wanted to make you understand that why we are here, what exactly we are doing, what is the way forward, how are we progressing, what exactly is there as far as the main partners are concerned. We call it as in main franchisees, apart from that the sub-franchisees, and what all we have it in the kitty wherein you can double up your revenues, or I should say exponential growth. So we have all those things with you, for you, I'm sorry. So this is what we are doing. Now, before getting into the presentation, let us just introduce ourselves to each other so that we can address each other with the names itself. Though we have already given the price tags. Name tags. Just wanted to check whether you guys are sleeping or in awake mode. Okay, so I'm sure all the mobile phones are on the tables in this silent or switch off mode. Great. So let us start with Praveen. So there are 2 or 3 Praveens here, I think, if I'm not wrong. So let's start with the Praveen who came from Mumbai.
Hi. Hello everyone. Praveen from the Mumbai branch.
Okay, I'm extremely sorry. What you are going to do is 4 things which we want to ask. First is name, city, what exactly you are doing, and what is your expectations, or what exactly you are expecting out of this presentation or from this event, which is going to happen today, between today and tomorrow.
Yeah, good morning again to everyone. She is my business partner, Aisha. Yeah. I'm from Mumbai branch basically. So it has been just almost 2.5 months we are into we are in Study Metro, and our main idea of coming here is firstly try to know who are our associates in Study Metro, or who are the people from other franchises from different states. And I would say there are many things to be considered at this stage, like we are missing certain things which we would like to know, discuss with Abhishek and everyone over here, like some few points we are lacking. We need to learn from them as well. And yeah, it's a rough idea to know about many things. So, thank you.
Thanks, Praveen. One more thing which I want to clarify here is, there are two Abhisheks in Study Metro. One is Abhishek Sharma and the other one is Abhishek Bajaj. Fortunately, Abhishek Bajaj is the concerned person who is the main person here as far as Study Metro is concerned. I'm just helping him out. So myself, Abhishek Sharma, and he's Abhishek Bajaj. Hello. So, thanks Praveen. Going forward, Praveen, another Praveen.
Yes, sir. I'm Praveen. I'm started a franchise in North Bangalore, Study Metro.
Yes, I've taken up the franchise for North Bangalore from Study Metro. It's been 6 months now, and I should say I'm really grateful to Mr. Abhishek. For past 6 months he's helped me quite a lot, and we've progressed in terms of having contract MOUs with the college in North Bangalore as well as in East Bangalore. It's just starting, and it should go well. And from this meeting, I'm familiar with all the names here, but I would like to know the faces. So that's one thing I'm expecting. And of course, as it goes on, I'll have questions. So I'll take it on from there. That's it.
Thanks, Praveen. So we have Ridhi here. She was about to leave, I don't know. So Kunal will introduce Ridhi. How or better half.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Hello. I'm Kunal from Gujarat and she's my wife Riddhi. We are both in the business and we have taken a franchisee with Abhishek. I think Riddhi is dealing with that and we have a good revenue after that. We are generating great numbers with him and expecting a good business out of that. And for the meeting, we just want to explore the new products, new way of marketing, and that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kunal. Who's next? Ma'am, you?
Hello. Yeah, I am Mrs. Kulkarni from right now franchising from Pune. Study Metro is very specific and I think I have talked to them. And I think in your future I feel that will be helpful. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Charles.
Coastal Immigration Consult Services from Tamil Nadu. So I'm taking care of Coimbatore geographical area. So the main intention will be here and part of Study Metro because I think last 1 month I'm just associating with them. And I'm just looking forward of the unique selling, so especially to expand our business into entire geographical area, especially in Tamil Nadu. You know very well, Tamil Nadu is one of the main IT hub. So the main intention, I just want to learn and study about how to tap the market in terms of on the pathway programs for the students as well as the working professionals. And since I'm just starting with a zero ground level, I'm sure that this training will be more helpful in terms of learning many things in terms of products. So that's what I'm expecting from you. Thank you so much.
Thank you everybody. I'm Rajan from Warangal. Warangal is in Telangana, the newly formed state, 29th state. Okay, I've been working for past 10 years. Okay, my consultancy name is St. Anthony's Education Consultancy. And for the past 2 years, I was indirectly associated with Abhishek for all the years process. See, I learned very much when I was interacting with Abhishek, all the new rules and CPT, OPT programs, the universities and everything. So indirectly, many of the consultants in Warangal, indirectly they know what is Study Metro. So I was very happy to introduce myself and came here and I just want to start a new franchise with Study Metro. Hoping for the best, and I just want to know the new documentation rules and everything which belongs to US admission system. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Rajesh.
From Study Metro. I'm working here from past 2 months. It's really good to have into the education consultancy, which we get to know what the market going on with the overseas education. And I hope to have a good future in this, and I see really good things which are gonna come in this Study Metro. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Hello everyone, good to see you all here. My name is Kulsum and I'm in Bangalore branch, and really it's a great thing to be in Study Metro as a part of Study Metro. It's been a year to me, but although I have seen such a progress, and I wish a bright future to myself and Study Metro and all over our team. Flavia Linda. I am working in Study Metro as a senior education counselor. This is a really different field where I work compared to previous work, because my previous experience in admin, and this is a counseling where I had to talk with the student and I had to give counseling to them, their career, education and everything. It has given really good experience in my life. Thank you.
Thanks, Flavia.
This is Kritika. I'm a senior counselor in Bangalore for Study Metro. I have been working as an HR for 4 years, but currently for the past 3 months, I am here working in Study Metro. What I've learned from Study Metro is how to deal with students and how to know what exactly they want to go forward. I myself being a student, what I learned and what I'm teaching is something which is something I've learned from here. So looking forward for a great career and definitely, being associated with all of you. Thank you.
An opportunity to Zaid also to introduce himself.
Yeah, myself Zaid, as everybody know over here. I am with Study Metro from almost 3.5 years, and in the education field and the immigration field, I'm almost there from 7 years. Who will help the student for the visa filing or selecting the university or any kind of opportunities. And I am the branch head for Bangalore office. If anytime you require any kind of a support or anything, I'm there to help you out, guys. Thank you.
You have started selling yourself.
Yeah.
Great. Anyone left out from there? I think I missed you.
Hello everyone, my name is also Praveen, this third Praveen from Indore office, and I'm working with Study Metro since last 5 years, 4 to 5 years approx, and currently my designation is as a senior counselor. So I'm dealing with all other countries like European countries, Russia, Georgia, Philippines, or Singapore, Asian countries like Singapore, Malaysia, or apart from USA you can say, rest of the countries I'm dealing with in my company. Thank you.
Thanks, Praveen.
Hi everyone, my name is Hema Chandran. Actually, I work as an International Relations Officer with Acharya Bangalore Business School. And I've been in Canada for almost 6 years and I work for Centennial College. So I do have an international exposure and it's nice to meet you all. Hope to catch up soon.
We all welcome you. Thank you.
Everyone, I'm Varsha Patarpekar from Mumbai branch. I am business partner of Praveen. And I come from 9.5 years of experience in corporate background. This is a new sector for me, but it is catching up on me very fast. And I'm here to learn best practices from all the EU counselors so that I can grow my business in Mumbai market. Thank you so much.
My name is Abby. I am with the Study Metro at the time when it got born in the hospital. I was there only. And I am the director of Study Metro. And I basically, you might have heard my name, and if not, then probably I'm the one who gives the visa training to all of your students. So I'm a visa instructor. I help students to place them for the top universities in the states and giving them the visa training. So this is the best part of my job which I do. So, and thank you so much all of you to come here. Thanks.
Okay, hi everybody. I think everybody knew me, Abhishek Bajaj, and I'm here as a managing director, working very hard to support you. I know sometimes I don't pick the call, I don't miss your call, but yeah, thank you very much to all to support me anytime. And this event today we plan to, this is the first event we are doing to invite all the franchisee. And we also invited a few of the colleges here. So we have Hema in the morning. She represents Acharya Business B School. There are a couple of more colleges are coming today to have a lunch with us so that you can get a knowledge to meet with them and understand them, what kind of students they are recruiting here, and if what are the relationships we are making them in the abroad with the foreign universities. We also invited some US consulate people, so they are also coming there. So they will talk about their experience, and then you get a chance to know more about the US consulate people also. And we have some guests that are coming from the Kerala, so that they can talk about the education loan and all. We invited some forex people or travel people. So in the future, if your students want any kind of help there, so you can get a chance to meet with them. So the today agenda is very straightforward. It's not more presentation, it's more kind of connectivity. And I would appreciate everybody that this is opportunities everybody have here that to meet the different states people. The different people are coming from the different cities. So throughout whole day we spend a time. So we'll have a lunch, we'll have a tea break, we have planned some kind of cues, gaming activity, we have a dinner and we have party and all. And tomorrow again, we are fixing up one-to-one meeting. So you let us know your comfortable time and our comfortable time so that we can fix up the one-to-one meeting with everybody. So if you have any specific questions, concern, any new ideas, so this is a platform is available today. So you can talk about, and we want that all the small ideas, if we make it together, it become a very unique idea. So this is a plan, and thank you very much again, everybody, to join this session. And I just hand over to Abhishek.
Thank you so much, Abhishek and Abhi. Okay, so I think...
And this franchisee meet, so we can have a get together at least. And apart from this, I want to introduce myself that I am Dimple Bajaj, which is the Executive Director of Study Metro, and I'm working from last 6 years with this organization. And my main part is like, I'm working directly with the universities. For the franchisees I'm working with the agents also. Direct student also I'm handling. So if you are having anybody who's having any type of question, you can directly reach me anytime. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dimple. The other thing is that I think you missed out, sir.
We are very new to this Study Metro. I want to know and I want to learn and we want to associate with this Study Metro. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hello everybody. मैं ओम बजाज, मैं एबी और अभिषेक का पापा हूँ. ये मेरी मिसेज बैठी हैं पास में, और बहुत अच्छी बात है कि बच्चों की प्रोग्रेस देख के हर माँ बाप को प्रसन्नता होती है. आज मुझे भी बहुत अच्छी प्रसन्नता हो रही है. भगवान ने हमें अच्छे बच्चे दिए. मैं उनका शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ पहले तो, क्योंकि ये बच्चे हमारे ही नहीं, मेरे मम्मी पापा भी हैं, उनके भी इतने केयर करते हैं जितनी हमारी करते हैं. ये सबक है सभी के लिए भी. धन्यवाद अभिषेक जी.
थैंक यू सर. थैंक यू. थैंक्स फॉर एनकरेजिंग वर्ड्स.
Dipti, Abhinav's wife, and he's my little son, Arnav Bajaj. Thank you for coming.
Doing some Barbie things, huh? I don't know. Okay, so good.
I was a student. I did my healthcare from the US, MBA in healthcare, and that time when I was an international student, I've been given a couple of information, and I was also an international student who, you always get to meet with. And the information which was being provided to me was not up to that mark, and I was having some dreams in my life to complete that. But as soon as I landed there in the US, I got to know there are many, commitments or many promises which has been given by one of the consultant was not true. So that's how the whole system came in the picture when we decided that how about we help international students, not only from India, but start up a career in education consultancy where we could really do some great job for our students, because it's all about making someone's life. So that's how we started, and after completing my MBA in healthcare, I did come back here and we started our Indore office with the name of HTIR, and that's how Study Metro picture came in. So I've got 3 wonderful people with me who started this. One was Abhishek, second was Abhi, and third is Praveen. So he was the first employee we hired in our company, and he has been doing a great job till now. So thank you so much, Praveen, for being with us. So now, what started out with, because an engineer, a software engineer, when he leaves his job and get into this industry, we really need to do some couple of changes. So that's how we started our Bangalore office. And Bangalore office started with again 3-4 people, and that's how Abhishek came in the picture. And then we have finally discovered the Study Metro, and our tagline is Study Metro, one-stop education and career center for every students. Okay, so while we've been going through growing by the time it's going on, we've been providing different opportunities for the students, like ESL, career counseling, the application process. Then we got ourselves get into the visa assistance, travel, education loan. And we've been dealing with different countries in Australia, Canada, UK, Ireland, New Zealand, Singapore, USA, Dubai. But as you all know that USA has been our main market. In the service portfolio, you've been seeing many options, but we still own a couple of competitive advantages which makes us different than others. Okay, so how we started with talking to the university, negotiating with them to have our students work with the study and a flavor of work in it. So we were given an opportunity to the students that how we could have them work and study at the same time, which gives them an opportunity to work there, which gives them an opportunity to earn there, which gives them an opportunity to gain experience in a US-based company. Okay? So then, new ideas coming up in the Study Metro family was webinars. So we have become a webinars hub. So giving a platform to the students where they can talk to the university, and that's how you give them more clear information about what's there at the university and less false commitment. So now one of the competitive advantages are that as we started with one university, now it becomes more than 35 universities. So we have now every top universities are asking us to conduct the webinars, and which we are doing, and I hope you all are attending it. And it gives you an opportunity to get a clear information which you could provide to your students, right? Affordable school for the middle class ones. As we all know that why we made this possible for our students, because when we think of going to abroad for higher education, we feel like it's not something which everyone can do. So as my parents said this too, that they were just saying some good things about me and Abhishek. So we did try that how about we make this simple for the students who still are not coming from the affluent family, but how could they still afford their higher education? With this affordability of education, how could they can study and work? So that gives them an advantage of studying in the different countries and get a good life. No requirements accepted by us. So when I was a student, I tried my GRE. I've written GRE once, I've written GRE twice. I didn't get the good marks. I was like, I don't know what to do. Then I did my IELTS. I got 6 band, very bad. So although when I had less GRE score, I thought, no, it's not my cup of tea that I should stay, go abroad for my higher education. I should better stay here. But during that period of time, because we all try to do our best, but when we cannot, we have opportunities for all those students who could at least come to Study Metro, talk to us, and we could guide them, counsel them for the opportunities they could still make it, no matter whether they have a great scores or low scores. Top schools admissions. So at the time when we started, it was small universities, it was private universities, it was university which has have contracts, and now we have got 250 plus in our family. It includes the big state universities. So now you have a market cap for both the students. As my previous point says, no requirements accepted by us. That means if a student cannot afford much, if they don't have a good score, they could still work on it. But if they have a great score, we can still help them. So we have 2 cap of students there. One, who try to be good, but they don't get a good score, help them. One, we have students with great GRE, GMAT, IELTS, TOEFL, SAT score. And one of the unique things which we did, and that was very appreciated by all of us and their family, that one student who recently got placed in Harvard University, and that was from the Study Metro. So please, clap for this. Now it comes to why are we trying to send students to MIT, Harvard, or probably trying, although we know that we do not make anything. That's really okay. As I said, it's about making someone's life. So we are glad that we have students who come to our consultancy thinking that somewhere they would be able to change our life. And all they need is the right guidance, which we do. So now we have top school admissions, tie up with diverse schools around the world, US team support to coordinate with schools. So we've been seeing, and everyone could see my pain, like Abhishek used to tell me that you wakes up until 2:30 and again, you sleep at 2:30, wakes up at 8:30, come back to the office, because while we need to talk to the university, you really need to wake up late in the night so that you can coordinate with them in the early morning. So we hired US team so that they could negotiate and contact with the US universities by the time we sleep. And recently we have sent our US team to NAFSA, who met with almost how many universities? More than 1,000 universities. And now we are communicating with all more than 1,000 universities to have, some type of collaborations where we can send students. So universities like UC Berkeley, UCLA, although they do not fall in agreement with us, but they are still ready to give us ESL.
ESL and the summer program.
And the summer program. So I'm going to talk about summer program in my later slides. So it makes us, and it's not the all points, but it's just the basic thing I want to give you on a welcome note. Okay, so this has been the achievement so far. So we have become a member of NAFSA. NAFSA every year keep one or two conferences around the world, or probably in the US. The recent NAFSA happens in Denver, Colorado, and we had Michael from Study Metro from the US team has attended and met with almost 1,000 universities representative. We have recently, about a week ago, we have applied to AIRC, American International Recruitment Council. This AIRC has a great value, because if you go to AIRC website, you see not more than 100 education consultants in this world have active AIRC certification. The importance of AIRC certification would be, it's going to cost us too much, but once you have the certification approved by the the council, you get to meet with every top university of this world. It's AIRC responsibility that they gives us their whole list of universities where we can coordinate, talk with them. It's not only limited to the US. It gives us an opportunity to now, once passed with an AIRC certified agency, you have an access to all the top universities in this world. But the process is going to take, probably 6 months time from now, but yes, we're going to make it. So this is going to be our biggest achievement. So we have already filed it, we paid it, but now the referencing thing has been started. India's first and the only consultant provide e-learning visa course designed by immigration lawyer of the US. So that's one of the achievements which, because ultimately when we talk about US visa, if you have students going to UK, Europe countries, you have easy visa access, success, which would make it. When it comes to the US visa, it takes you a bit of hard time, So we all have students. So if I ask you, Praveen, how many students you recruit in a year? Well, 200. But how many of them make it? Well, 45, 70, 55, 60. This visa training will give an opportunity for all the students to know about what basic things are required to pass your interview. And we have had good students coming in and attending and getting the visas, and they are going. The lady who have actually gone through the Harvard, we're going to have her testimonial. She took this training, and she also, accorded this. That amazing. That was amazing. Okay, direct hire to 50 universities in the US, yearly US visa approvals. We have got the campus offices, and what's that I'm going to talk to you about in a minute. Regular delegates visiting to Indian office, hire for summer placement. So now what our goal is. Summer classes, summer placement is, that we have recently done a couple of UCR, University of California Riverside, for all the engineers. We started sending them bulk students for their summer program. How it helps? It really helps because when I've gone to US for my higher education, I want to do my MBA in healthcare. But how about if, and it cost me $25,000 just for the education. How about if I've gone only for a summer program where it cost me $5,000, but I get to learn about new culture, new people, and then you know about what course curriculum I'm going to study if I go for a long-term program. So this summer placement, we really need to focus on, and we will be covering throughout the day all these things. So this is not going to be very boring because we have a couple of activities also to do, but we really want to make sure that we work on bulk number of students now. So we have many consultants in India, right? And they are working in a very same era where you're working. How you want to be different? How many students you could do? At the end of the day, we will be talking on numbers, not on what you did good or what went wrong. So our thing is the campus office. That has been one of the new thing which we have launched. All the credit goes to Mr. Abhishek, which thought, and his thinking is that how about we work with the colleges end to end on their college campus, have an office there, help students right there for the classes, give them a consultation right there at the classes, and get the students in bulk. Now how this works, because if you go to a college and they got 500 students, and out of 500, if 250 are there who know they want to go abroad for higher education, 250, they have never learned about abroad education, why would they go? But you get an opportunity to access all 250, 300 students, and it is not only about business, but it's really about guiding them at their own house, you could say, because they spend there almost 8 hours a day in the college. And if they get this opportunity, we could still help them, right? Okay. So future plans, and that's what we're going to discuss throughout the day and probably in future. So the placement activities. So this is one thing which we would be helping them, not only to place them in abroad universities with the study and work thing, but probably we could put some efforts to give them, when we talk to the colleges, we are still there to help because we got professional trainers with us who could still help them with the grooming session, the personality development, the aptitude things, okay, engagement with local colleges. So that's our big goal now. We really want to work with the colleges, and I would say not only colleges, how about schools as well? Because we have seen a transition, students from the schools now have started in numbers to go directly for their higher education. They go for integrated program, they go for undergrad plus grad program. Online platform for e-learning courses, so we have started with GRE, GMAT, IELTS, TOEFL. We have all the material ready with us. It's our own copyright material, so it's not I have been borrowed from somewhere. We have had trainers who made this. We've got the flashcards with us. Probably if you have, we'll show you. Did you bring that? No? Okay, no problem. Expansion through colleges, summer program in the top 20 schools of the world. Can somebody tell me which school is the expensive school in this world? Switzerland? Yes, that's correct. Switzerland. Which school? Le Rose. Its fees is about 60 lakh rupee for a year. We have had tie-up with Le Rose School to send our summer program students. Similarly, MIT, Yale Law College, we got Cornell University. We are only tying up with them for sending students for a short-term program. And that boosts them and help them. So let's say if any time when you get a student who would say, I want to go to MIT, that's it, or UC Berkeley, say, how about you go to a summer program first? If somebody is in the 10th class or going in 12th class, he got 2 years to go anywhere, get that summer program, which boosts up his or her chances to get into the desired university. Because if someone wants to study Yale University for law, because Yale is the #1 for the law students. So he could go to Cornell or Harvard and do the Yale or probably Yale law summer program. And next time when he applies, he said that I've already been given all this information. I know the professor over there. I have learned about the campus. I know about the infrastructure. And that boosts up the admission chances for them because their acceptance rate is going to be less than 10%. Okay? So, yeah. So, tie up with 1,000 new universities. We met at the NAFSA and we are going to meet in the ICF 2016. So, that's impromptu that